Finally, boards khatam ho gaye. This feeling is so strange. The life that you have known for over 10 years is over. There is an unfamiliar tinge of excitement, nervousness. पता नहीं जिंदगी आगे कहाँ लेके जाएगी. But जो भी होगा, you're sure अच्छा ही होगा. Finally, you're becoming an adult. बड़ी बड़ी आंखों में बड़े बड़े सपने, जोश में होश ना खो उतनी अकल भी है. 15 साल का होना कोई मजाक थोड़ी है. You are sure you'll get admission in the best college in the country, get a well-paying job, have your career sorted by 25. उसके बाद तो मजे ही मजे. You'll get to travel the world, find the love of your life, buy a sea-facing mansion and earn like crazy. और ये ख्याली पुलाव या बेबुनियाद सपने नहीं है. After all, you were amongst the top students in your school. If not you, then who? बस 5 मिनट और बोल के 1 घंटा सोना तो काफ़ी आम है. These past few years have been a little difficult. You signed up for the toughest competitive exams. ये सोच के कि this is it. You were off to a great start, waking up early, studying 8 hours a day, scoring decently well in mock tests. Over time, your drive started to go down a little by little, and you started to let go. सडनली एक दिन में कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट आराम आराम से. यू डिसाइडेड टू स्लीप इन एन एक्स्ट्रा आवर, डिसाइडेड टू इंस्टॉल इंस्टाग्राम, लेकिन सिर्फ संडेज के लिए. इतना तो चलता है ना. अ स्मॉल रिप्राइव फॉर द डे. The small things started to pile up and create a backlog. You could never really catch up to it. This was so different from school. Finally, results. 2 साल wasn't the worst, but इतना अच्छा भी नहीं था कि गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज मिल पाए. To be honest, you knew that this was coming. You could sense that you were not doing enough. But for some reason, situation को काबू से बाहर जाने को रोक नहीं पाए तुम. You got in a private college, unsure of your identity. अगर तुम स्मार्ट नहीं हो तो तुम हो कौन? अगले 3 साल तो ये प्रूव करने में निकल गए that you actually have some worth. प्रूफ दूसरों को नहीं, अपने आप को. Focused on your studies, clubs, activities, extracurriculars, you're finally starting to get over your failure. Maybe there is still time. Maybe all is not lost. After all, एक destination के अलग अलग रास्ते भी तो हो सकते हैं ना. गोल्डीलॉक्स का नाम सुना होगा, वो भालू वाली. Your life has become like hers. ना इधर ना उधर, just fine. Not great, but not too bad either. क्या अजीब अजीब चीज़ों से रिलेट मारने लगे. You got a job, not the best one, but it pays alright. Your social life is there, I guess. Love life है उतना ही काफ़ी है. You barely have time to do anything other than your job anyway. You hit the gym sometimes, but a body can only take on so much. Most of your friends are in the same boat, so क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है. But sometimes you dream about leaving it all behind. Quitting your job, starting something of your own maybe, but there's no time. Weekdays full hai, weekends are the only time you have for yourself. You tried taking on a few freelancing projects on the side, the first step of doing your own thing and whatnot, but it doesn't seem worth it. The work is too much and paisa too little. In theory, you know कि returns over time ही आते हैं, but you keep procrastinating because the truth is that you're afraid of the truth. It can stay alive as long as it's just a dream. The second it becomes reality, there is a scope for a tragic death, and you don't know if that is something you can recover from. Burnout. You're facing the worst burnout of your life. You finally took the plunge a couple of years ago and quit your job, but the constant grind is you can barely function right now. Bare minimum करके जैसे तैसे काम चला रहे हो. The growth is not as much as you initially projected. Sure, the freedom and the autonomy is a highlight, but the reality does not match up with expectations. The motivation that you had is just not enough to keep your head above the water. You're on the verge of drowning. You just had your first child. Rona ruk nahi raha as you hold them in your arms. They are everything. You will do everything for them, give them everything. You will make them proud. You had to shut down your business 3 years ago due to lack of sufficient profits. You found a job again, met someone there, fell in love, and that was the best decision of your life. But even when you're holding the most precious thing in your arms, there is still a small part of you that feels a little dead. You sometimes wish that you were more like your partner, happy, content in life, effortless. Sure, उनके भी सपने थे, but even they could not completely achieve it. How did they move on from it? No part of them is stuck in the past. They are here, right now, completely present. You make a mental note to talk to them about it. आजकल में नहीं, but someday, maybe when you're cuddling in bed, the intimacy of the pillow talk allowing you to hide your shame. Because the truth is that you know why you have not been able to move on. Because you have not given your best yet. अपना best दे के fail होते, you could have marched ahead with your head held high. But looking back, almost every attempt half-assed था. Because of the fear, the uncertainty, inaction, laziness, you make a vow, one more try for yourself. Alarm बजते ही you get out of the bed immediately, like you have done almost every day for the past 5 years. कभी कभी hit और miss हो जाता है, but you no longer pack it up and carry it around like a backpack of heavy boulders weighing you down, जैसे तुम पहले करते थे. Life actually मस्त चल रही है. After 3 years of managing your day job and business and family all at the same time, after 3 years of working like every evening, शाम से लेके रात तक, working every weekend, you're finally making enough to quit your job. Hopefully for good this time. Routines have been a big part of your day. अभी सिर्फ motivation से काम नहीं चलाते. You understand that having strong reasons, a strong purpose, a strong why is essential, but it is what you do on a daily basis that makes all the difference. You have realized that laziness isn't a character flaw. It's a deeply ingrained habit that can be broken like any other habits. माना कि time थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग सकता है because it is rooted in fear, but it is possible. You have stopped beating yourself up about not being perfect all the times. You don't feel that nagging feeling anymore. You know that you're trying your best, and no matter what happens, you'll be fine. Many people will wait till 40 to reach this stage, and most people never will. Hi, so this was a different kind of video than usual. I was just experimenting with different formats of storytelling. It was fun for like a one-off experiment, but I think I prefer to be in front of the camera and connect with you guys directly. Bollywood scenes चुनने का reason ये था that we have all grown up watching Bollywood and all of us we connect, we relate with these characters. मतलब कोई ना कोई character तो होगा इस पूरे sequence में that you could have related with. So I thought that from a storytelling perspective, this is something worth exploring. Maybe people will be able to connect more or relate more with this, with the characters that they've already seen as compared to some random YouTuber on the internet. And इस वाले video में there was also passage of time, right? So this was like a fun, interesting way of showing that journey of a person who identifies himself as lazy but ambitious. Talking about that, there have been a lot of trending videos on this topic, lazy but ambitious, and people are like really watching these. So I guess a lot of people just relate with this. A lot of people think of themselves as lazy but ambitious. I believe that there is no such thing. There is absolutely no such thing as lazy but ambitious. If you're ambitious, you are going to have some drive. I believe you're just scared and ambitious. You're scared of your ambitions. I believe that you are not going all in, because if you go all in and uske baad if you fail, it's almost like a hopeless situation. But if you're holding back a little and you're being lazy about it, you're postponing your plans, then you're not going all in. And us case mein there is still like some excuse that you can give yourself. There is some reason that you can give yourself. Oh, it's because I was just being lazy, or it's because I just did not try it too hard. So that is what is happening over here. And this is the trajectory of your life that you will go down on if you don't learn to counteract yourself. So now is the time. Most of you are still in your 20s and your 30s. I know कि journey difficult हो सकती है, but the trick is to just have fun achieving things. सफ़र का ही था मैं, सफ़र का रहा, but you know what they say, चले तो कट ही जाएगा सफ़र आहिस्ता आहिस्ता.